Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. In today's video we are going to see super easy, super tasty condensed milk cookies. Here you go. Beautiful, gorgeous cookies. Before we start the video, let's hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Alright, I have taken almost 2 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. This is half a cup of butter. This is chilled butter, refrigerated one, not the normal temperature, and I have some condensed milk. So let's add this together. Alright, so try to get the butter melted with the warmth of your hand, and you see the coarse consistency here. Make sure all the butter cubes are melted, and I'm going to add half a cup of condensed milk here. Try to make nice smooth dough, and if you need more flour you can add it. I have added 2 tablespoons of flour and this is how the dough looks now. Perfect. Alright, so sprinkle some flour and roll this till we get the big flatbread. Alright, so get the cookie cutter and form any shape that you would like. Also, thickness of the cookie is totally up to you. I have taken small portion of the leftover dough and adding in cocoa powder and making it just cocoa cookies. Alright, so grab these small chocolate balls, flatten it and just add it on the top of the base cookies, and our design is up to you. However you want to do it, you can make a second layer of the chocolate dough and totally fine. Alright, so to make it extra yummy I have these white chips. I'm just topping it up and they are ready to be baked. Preheat oven to 350 Fahrenheit. My second set of cookies on a tray ready to be baked, and this is the first batch ready. It took literally 5 minutes to get this baked. And look at this guys, my condensed milk cookies are ready. I have topped it up with some brown sugar while they were hot, so the brown sugar will melt and they're super yummy. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe. Till then, take care and goodbye. See you in the next video.